got nothing to show for these dead end dreams. My heart will ache again, it seems.
What I look like, getting touched, I'm too pretty for that, so let me stay away. People be like, yeah, don't say it no more, it's gonna be really scary. Don't give me no ice without no care. If I'm great to you, bitch, you might as well call me fairy. Staying in school, cause that's what I wanna do, ain't no question about it, this ain't no blue school. I'ma tell you who I am, S-H-A-L-E-Y-A-A. That's who I am, and I ain't trying to play myself. I'm on person, ain't talking to nobody, that's something I'm working, ain't asking no questions, I'm not really saying, not really saying, not really saying. All by myself, I'm on person, ain't talking to nobody, that's something I'm working, ain't asking no questions, I'm not really saying, not really saying, not really saying.
Minds in the haze, looking for ways, pick up a gun, that's what they say. It ain't company for the killer like cancer, but we have to find a better way. And I'm rapping every day, trying to make some better days. This ain't the working and better, I'm not hearing what you say. Hearing people getting shot and they're getting arrested late. And I'm here to say that this is not okay. Some of my best friends and they're getting betrayed. People carry guns and this is the way. Then they go up to heaven and they have some more stay. Some people trying to live life in a war, full of strap on down the street, not being stabbed with a knife. Cause I ain't so young, boys in the afterlife. People trying to make peace and people trying to fight. But damn, the nine stick together and unite. Minds in the haze, looking for ways. Pick up a gun, that's what they say. They say guns are cancer, it kills like cancer, but we got to find a better way. One is school shooting, 21 people killed. Overdose, innocent, most of them are killed. Hearing more rain, but they have to rebuild. Now that the killer is 16, it was good. 19 kids and 2 adults. Computer shot dead and now he's a result. He was shooting cause he got an insult. If he didn't get bullied, then he has any fault. Too many deaths in 2022. How would you feel if they're related to you? All of the families are feeling so blue. So many shots, I can hear them in the room. Minds in the haze, looking for ways. Pick up a gun, that's what they say. They say guns are cancer, it kills like cancer. We got to find a better way. If you want your kids to do hip hop literacy, then over there is our desk, and you can use your kids over there. Now we got Queen Leo all by myself. Basically me by myself, and that's why I wrote this rap. All by myself, I'm one person, I feel like that's not working. I am so rich, I'm not really serving, not really serving, not really serving. All by myself, I'm one person, I feel nobody else, that's not working. I am so rich, I'm not really serving, not really serving, not really
What's that? Skip this one?
Now we got Track Star by Queen Leah.
We on the track. You already know what I'm gonna do. I just came to do something for you. But yeah, I'm gonna go my verse. I'm running so fast, just like a track star. Like I'm gonna do when I'm back in these bars. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna do one like I'm done the car. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm not a little baby. I am a queen. I'm not a baby. Don't get me mistaken. I still go crazy with the show. Like I ain't from the chat. I can win again, so I can get fame. I'm right like a true, but I'm not for the lane. I'm getting the money. I'm getting the bag. I'm running so fast. I just need it that. You can get catch my girl on your flash. I already know what I'm gonna do for this next. Y'all can't live for free. Cause
than it seems. Cause you're not in my arms, and all I wanna do is keep my promises to you. They'll come true.